In lesson 3.3, we're going to do another perpendicular, but now we're going to do it to a line. So what's going to end up happening is they're going to give you some line on a plane, and they're also going to give you some point on a plane. What you're going to do after you've given this, or you have to draw this, is step 2, you're going to take your compass, place it on point P. You're going to stretch your compass about 1 centimeter past the line. So from the point, put your compass point on there, your pencil gets stretched about 1 centimeter past the line, and then you're going to make an arc. So I put my compass point on P, and I stretch it a little bit past the line, and I make an arc past the line. So that's step 2. In step 3, my steps might be a little bit off, I'm sorry. I've already placed my point, my compass point on P, and made the arc. So now look at the intersection near A with the arc and the line. Take your compass point, put it on point A. Leave your compass stretched out the same distance and make an arc in space. Then repeat the exact same process from B. Take your compass point on B, make another arc out in space. And then for your final step, what you do is you connect point P through the intersection of those two arcs, and now you have a perpendicular. So to repeat, in step 1, they're either going to give you or you're going to draw a line and a point. Step 2, you place your compass point on P, stretch it out past the line, make an arc. Next step is from the intersection of your arc and point A, put your compass point there, leave it stretched out, make an arc. Repeat that process with your compass point on B, and you should see an X out in space on the other side of the line from point P. Connect your point P to the X intersection, and you have your perpendicular to the original line that's going through the point P. Some information, just so you know, in our book, which we don't use usually, or in our course, the word altitude means perpendicular, and usually is talking about triangles. They can occur outside, inside, or on a triangle side. So in figure 1, you see an altitude that is to the outside of a triangle. It's perpendicular to the baseline. In picture 2 in the middle, you see an altitude that is contained inside the triangle. And in picture 3, you see an altitude that is actually one of the sides. That occurs only in a right triangle. This is just information about what altitudes could be. So the first altitude on the left is one that falls outside, the one in the middle is one that falls inside, and the one on the right is one that is the side of the triangle. Again, that only occurs in right triangles.